When we talk about search engine optimization, in the past, we typically talked about on-page optimization as well as getting external links pointing back to your website, with the anchor text being the keyword phrases. But most recently, Google has made some changes to how your websites can rank. And the reason why Google did that is that it was very simple for people to be able to manipulate the search engines by buying external links or by just doing a normal SEO, submitting articles to various websites with anchor text in that. So in essence, people were able to artificially inflate their rankings based on the way they could game the system. So back in April of 2012, Google introduced the concept of user experience. What that entailed was that Google was looking for certain signals that would indicate that people were having a good user experience on your website. And those signals included things such as how long people were staying on your website on average, how many pages they were visiting, and what was the bounce rate. The bounce rate refers to somebody clicking on the link in the search engine results and goes to your web page, and then they leave immediately by clicking on the back button to go back to the search results. According to Google, that would indicate that your web page did not result in the searcher finding what they were looking for, and they went back to the search engines to find more. So one of the ways to get around that from a user experience is to offer what the person is looking for, but in addition to that, also have many links on your web page that lead to other pages on your website, and not necessarily keyword-driven links as well. And one good example of that is to look at Wikipedia and look at the links that they have on their pages. So a lot of the links are related to the subject of the page that we're looking at right now. If you were to take that approach on your website and do intralinking to related blog posts on your website from the page that the link resides on, and then you've adopted a Wikipedia-styled website. And that helps to reduce your bounce rate because people would be visiting more than one page on your website. And if you can bring your bounce rate to below 55% overall on your landing pages, and then that'll help with your ranking too as well. And that signals to Google that the person visiting your website is experiencing a good user experience, as well as achieving task accomplishment because you have delivered exactly what the person was looking for and did not go back to the search engine. So that is an important concept to remember, and it was actually introduced in April of 2012, and you probably know it as the Panda update. And that is a major update in the Google algorithm. So in order to rank well in the search engines like Google, you need to think of your online optimization with your keywords, your backlinks as well, and in addition to that, the user experience. The whole issue of Panda and Penguin updates will be covered in other sessions of the main course on SEO. To recap, we looked at Wikipedia-styled intralinking within your website and not necessarily with keyword-driven anchor text. And the reason for that is that if you get people to click on different links within your web pages, then people stay longer on your website and it increases the user engagement signals that Google is looking for.